Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin or maintainer access to the repository so you can add secrets. Once done, choose clear secret names and whether they belong to this repo or the organization for broader use. Now open the repository settings and navigate to Secrets and Variables, then Actions. You're ready to create a new secret. Click New Repository Secret and prepare to paste the value from a secure source, such as a password manager or environment store. You create the secret by entering an explicit uppercase name using underscores, then paste the secret value and click Add Secret. Next, update your workflow YAML to reference the secret. Set env or use with fields and call it as secrets. Name. Make sure to avoid printing the value. Instead, pass it to actions or tools that accept environment variables. Also prefer masked output and minimize steps that could expose the secret in logs, so it stays protected throughout CI execution. You'll rotate secrets periodically by replacing the value in settings and redeploying workflows that depend on it. This limits blast radius if leaked. For multiple repos, use organization-level secrets and manage repository access policies to control who can use them. If a workflow fails to read a secret, first confirm your permissions and that the secret name matches exactly. Then check the action's runner environment and whether the job has access to repository or organization secrets. If needed, re-add the secret and restart the run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.